Hello everybody, Anant here, and today I've got another video for you. It's an unboxing of this kit for the Arduino board. Now there are different Arduino boards, and the one over here is the Arduino Uno R3, I believe. And so basically this Arduino board is a chip that has a microtransmitter on it, with which you can attach different accessories which expand the possibilities of what you can do with this, and you can hook it up to your computer via their site and download their application and program it with that. So I will leave the link for the Amazon link for this product and the software required to use it. And without any further ado, let's get in the box. So this is the box itself. It's quite see-through. It came in Amazon's package, and this is how it was presented inside the bubble wrap. Just got that open with the unboxing knife. By the way, this is recorded by my Moto G5S Plus from Motorola. So yeah, this is a 4K 30 FPS recording. So first up in the box, we have our fun starter guide. Yeah, so this will probably tell you all the stuff you can do. Read this before you start. You can just pause the video and take a look at that. This is the entire circuit layout. I guess it's for you to understand what really goes on and the whole thing about this. So yep, all the things you get in the box. Wow, another one of those. Okay. So, and I guess this is the store for the company that's selling this product. So yeah, not bad. Okay, so now these are each of your parts. So there are a lot of parts in here, and as you can see, this is the color code guide. Just keep that to the side. We have a push button, basically switches. So all of these you can attach to the actual Arduino board, which I'll show you in just a minute. There's a diode, photoresistor. I don't have much of an idea of what these things do actually, but I'm guessing I'll learn them from the manual. So 9-volt battery holder. So I guess this goes right into the Arduino board, and you can hook up a 9-volt battery to this, and it'll charge keep it supplied with power. Keep the Arduino board supplied with power. There's a light. It's a temperature sensor. This thing's pretty packed actually. There's a shift register, a potentiometer. No idea what that is. Another motor. Another resistor. Wow. A relay. So this thing comes quite packed with different accessories. Basically, this is exactly everything you need for starting up your Arduino adventure, I could say. This is the breadboard, the solderless breadboard. Don't know what that is, but it's gonna come in handy. This is an LCD screen. These are these are a lot of wires. These are jumper wires. The 40 pin header. Wow. And this is the actual Arduino board itself. So Arduino is actually the company, but it's an open source design, so anyone else can make these. So different companies make their own versions, but they're essentially the same thing. So as you can see this, I'm just going to keep this aside and get it out of the box in a minute. This is an acrylic Uno mount plate. I'm guessing this is what you're going to put it on and mount it, and what you're going to use it with. I guess it's non-static or not static, so there's no static electricity going to the actual Uno board. This is actually what you will use to connect the Uno board to your computer with just a USB cable. So that's that. This is the Uno board itself. Let's get that out of the box. Okay, so you can see it says Arduino, and these are the different parts. So that's where your power is going to go through. Let me just get the camera to focus on it. That's where your power is going to go through over here. This is how you're going to connect it to your computer. Also, if you've connected it to the computer via this port, you can actually use it as the power for it too, the computers, as a source of power. Now these are your different, I guess, contact points with which you can add the accessories and change the inputs and all of that. This, I think, is the main microtransmitter itself. This is probably the power on button or the restart button or whatever. This is the back of the board. Just get to focus on that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hit the like button if you want to review for this product, and subscribe. Goodbye.